Welcome everybody. Today we've got another GoBot, Pumper, one of the heroic guardians. Super simple transformation for him. Just pop the arms out and the legs out and lift his head up. Got his shades on. He'll focus on. He's trying. Just won't focus on the face. It's focusing on his legs. But you know, I have lost the front axle and wheel and one of the back wheels on there. But otherwise, you know, for a 40-something-year-old toy, or almost 40-something-year-old, it's you know, like I say, I think originally he came with a ladder too. It seems like he had a ladder laying up through there. But that's I say, let go. It worked perfectly last time. I just can't. There it goes. And Pumper. I say he's no real. You know, got some chrome detailing on the sides, a couple of stickers. Nothing of note on the back. Head is hollow. It looks, as you can see. It looks like his red paint on there too, because it is chrome. But I'm gonna see if it'll show us. If I'll focus on his face. Simple transformation makes for a short video. There he goes, finally. But anyway, that's Pumper. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.